Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the cauldron of the Eastern Conference Finals, we witnessed Team GA and Team NJ in an epic chase to glory. Whose surge would be the tide turning their dreams into reality?
Under bright lights and roaring fans, the stage was set for a clash of titans. With focus sharp as a cricket spike, the team stepped on the pitch, ready for a battle that would etch their names in history.
A huge shout out to our event advertisers, for without them, this spectacle would not have been possible. Their support brings color to the canvas we call cricket.
Victory does not come cheap, but thanks to Top Cricket Store, it's affordable. Remember, a masterstroke like SMK Global's blends fuels the body for a gritty performance, much like the one NJ's young guns learned at the North Jersey Youth Cricket Academy.
GA, opting to bat, set the pitch ablaze with a fierce partnership. Yet, it was NJ's bowling, particularly Amil Shah, that turned the tide, restricting GA to a chasable total, a gripping prelude to an invigorating chase.
The match twisted and turned with every ball. Each run added was a step closer to glory or despair. NJ's disciplined bowling capped GA's surge, setting up the stage for what promised to be an electrifying chase.
The GA innings was a tapestry of resilience and flair, stitched together by Arav Shukla's majestic knock. However, the tale was also about partnerships, with Ananya Anish lending a crucial hand.
Truly, it was the calm before the storm. NJ's bowlers honed in with strategies as precise as a chess master's moves, with Amil Shah striking as fiercely as a king's checkmate.
NJ's answer was a thunderous innings led by Arav Alok Patel, who steered the ship home. His was a performance of sheer dominance, laying the groundwork for a memorable victory.
As the second act unfolded, it became clear that GA's bowlers faced a Herculean task. Despite the challenge, Rohit Kumar Y and Disha Kaveripakam emerged with honor, taking crucial wickets in a gallant, though ultimately futile, defense.
Arav Shukla stood tall for GA with an unbeaten 73, while Amil Shah for NJ was the bowler's beacon with a 3-wicket haul, setting the stage for a triumphant NJ chase.
Arav Alok Patel's blazing bat wrote the final chapter of this saga, his 80 not out becoming the bedrock of NJ's chase. A tale of triumph, as much of his making as those who laid its foundation.
NJ emerged victorious, conquering the chase with 8 wickets in hand. It was the culmination of tactical brilliance and fearless cricket, as they outplayed GA in all facets.
The result left the crowd in rapturous applause. NJ's victory was not just a win but a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence. For GA, it was a moment of reflection and resolve. Like the final over of a match, our tale too must come to a close. Today, NJ crafted a narrative of dominance, encapsulated in a victory as sweet as a straight drive.
And so, the Eastern surge concludes with NJ riding the wave to glory. But remember, every 6 hit and wicket taken writes another line in the annals of cricket, setting the scene for future battles in this glorious game.